For example, I have a matrix A, which is a 3 by 4 matrix, and I have a matrix B, which is a 4 by 3 matrix. This multiplication, the multiplication between A and B will be doable because the number of column of this matrix, which is 4, is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, which is 4. And I know the solution of the multiplication will be 3 by 3. So if I have Z is equal to A times B, I will have a 3 by 3 matrix as my solution. So if I have another matrix, say C, which is a 2 by 3, so multiplying A by C will be wrong because the number of columns of my first matrix, which is 4, is not equal to the number of rows of my second matrix, which is 2. So if I try to do that in MATLAB will slap me with an error saying incorrect dimension for matrix multiplication. So moving to vector multiplication, which include the dot product and the cross product. For dot product, you know that the dot product between two vectors is a scalar, while the cross product between two vectors is a vector itself. So you need to know how to write a vector in MATLAB before you can even start doing the vector multiplication. So if I have a vector, say D, which is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, where I, j, and k are my unit vectors, all I need to do is to open square bracket, and put 2, 3, 4, which is for the I position, the j position, and the k position, and that will give me my vector. So if I have a vector 4j and 5k, so you see I don't have the I component. So in the ith position, you put 0, 4, and 5. So you need to know how to write it, and that will give you your 4j plus 5k vector. If I have 2i plus 9j, you can see I don't have the ket term, so that will be 2, 9, and 0. And finally, the final example, if I don't have the jet term, present your 2i plus 9k term. So if you know this thing, you know how to write the vectors, then all you need to know is to know the command for doing your dot product, which is just dot. If I have two vectors, say D, you put D. So I have my D vector, which is 2, 3, 4, and I want to times it with E, and I put E. Then I can have my Z as a solution, so this will give me a scalar. And if I want to do cross product, I'll do the same thing, but I will put cross, then D and E. So this will give me my cross product, which is a vector. So you have your -1, -10j, and your 8k. You can also do element-wise multiplication. So for example, if I want to do element-wise for D and E, you can see 2 times 0 is just 0, 4 times 3 is 12, and 5 times 4 is 20. So all you need to do is to put Z is equal to D, then dot, then you put asterisk, and then you put your E, and that will give you your element-wise multiplication: 0, 12, 20. If you want to find out how to find the inverse and transpose of various matrices, MATLAB, which has a lot of engineering and science application, you should click on the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more MATLAB tips. Thank you.